Dear students, today we'll read Chapter 2.1 Natural Resources and Associated Problems. I am your teacher Abhijeet Prasad, lecturer in Civil Engineering. First, forest resources. Introduction. The word forest is derived from foris, a Latin word means outside. Forests are one of the most important natural resources of Earth. So approximately one third of the Earth's total surface is covered by the forest. Introduction. Forest resources play an important role in the economy of our country. Highly complex, changing environment made up of a living and non-living things. Living things include trees, shrubs, wildlife, etc. And non-living things include water, nutrients, rocks, sunlight, air, etc. Forests vary a great deal in composition, density, and of different areas. Forest important to humans and natural world. For humans, they have many artistic, recreational, economic, historical, cultural, and religious values. Forests provide fuel, wood, timber, wildlife habitat, industrial forest products, climatic regulations, and medicinal. So it's a wild and wide area. Forest has the impact on our lives. Uses. What are the uses of forest? They provide timber, obviously, for different uses like building houses, shipbuilding, bridges, railway carriages, like this, furnitures, etc. They supply firewood, charcoal for fuel in homes, industries. They provide wood pulp for the paper production. They provide honey for food and medicines, and so on. They provide beeswax for candles, medicines, shoe making, so many things. What everything nearly we're getting from the forests. Baskets, mats, chairs, ropes, walking sticks, umbrella handles, everything we're getting from the woods. They provide sandalwood, uh, they provide tanning materials, mm, like this, leaves, roots, fruits, skin, hides, etc. Indirect uses. What are the indirect uses? They stop the rain bearing winds. Obviously, heavy forests they can resist the winds, cause the rainfall, and rain bearing winds they obstruct the rain bearing winds and causes the rainfall up in that area. They increases the moisture content in the area and thereby providing additional precipitation rainfall in that locality. They minimize the extreme variation in climatic conditions, sudden drop in temperature, sudden rise in temperature, the sudden extreme variation it minimizes. They control floods during heavy rain by absorbing excessive rain. Another indirect use, they prevent soil erosion, obviously by checking the force of flowing of water. The thick roots of the trees absorb large quantity of water. Thus forests help in the flow of rivers. They offer hunting grounds for the hunters. They provide shelter to the wild animals, birds. They facilitate human existence by providing oxygen, very important, to human beings absorbing carbon dioxide. Hmm. They provide employment of large number of people in different capacities. Okay. So Indian scenario. Indian forest cover is 21% of the country geographical area as per 2009 data. The total forest cover in India is 6, nearly 7 lakh kilometers square. Forest cover in India is defined as all lands more than 1 hectare in area with a tree canopy density more than 10%. Very dense forest, what we called all lands with tree cover of canopy density is 70% and above. We called it very dense forest. Moderately dense forest, all lands with tree cover of canopy density between 40 to 70%. Open forest between 10% to 40% the canopy density. Scrub, degraded forest lands with canopy density less than 10%. Non-forest, any area are not included in the above cases. Okay. So tropical moist decidus, damp forest. There are different types of forests as you see the figures. Dry tropical forests in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Tropical throne forest, Delhi. You can see the figures. Okay. Tropical dry evergreen eastern Ghat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, some eastern parts of the Odisha. uh, Montana subtropical forests. Okay, like Shillong, Nilgiri, subtropical pine forest, Arunachal Pradesh, Kashmir. Okay, you see those figures. Okay, subtropical dry evergreen foothills of Himalayas. uh, Montana temperate forest, Montana wet temperate, Nilgiri, Palmy Hills, Himalayan wet temperate, Assam, Himachal Pradesh, like this. See the figure? Hmm? Here. Okay. These are the area. Okay. So now subalpine forest, scrub high Himalayans. So these are scrubs with least like a least number of canopy trees. Hmm? Thanks to all of you. Okay. So this is the natural resources forest chapter. We'll see next. Okay. Thank you so much.